Was so conscious of getting behind the baseline there that all her weight was going backwards. She actually couldn't go left or right because she was desperate to get back. That was almost like Serena knew, I hit a big target here. She actually hasn't got the balance to react to what I'm doing. It was actually a very safe winner.
That's a love.
Right shot, just missed it in terms of the execution.
This serve of Serena, it's been the one thing throughout this tournament that has impressed me. Not so much her ace count, she's only at 12 for the tournament, but the fact that she's up at 81% when she's got a first serve in.
Game of a set for Williams. 6-1.
Serena,
balls, please.
absolutely superb. 6-1. Well, just 20 minutes has gone. I've lost matches in that time. It's only one set. I jest not. But I was,
wow.
I mean, you can't play better tennis than that, and not too many people could ever elevate their standard to respond to it.
No, and if anyone's going to do it, it's Simona Halep. But Serena Williams certainly, I mean, since that first game that she lost, it was all her from then on in. It was impeccable tennis. Some beautiful highlights, lots of winners off the racket of Serena. Kept her unforced error count down. Even when she is playing powerful and aggressive, her margins were so good in regards to, she was going for the lines, but they were half a metre inside the line. And see the beautiful finesse that she showed on some shots as well.